Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken stew, a very delicious one of course. Okay, so here I have my chicken. I've washed it thoroughly, and here I have 2 can chopped tomatoes. Okay, I'll be using 2 can, and here I have fresh chopped ginger and garlic, and here I have a whole large onion that I chopped, and here I have bell pepper, that's red bell and yellow bell pepper. Okay, here I have my tomato paste, here I have 2 Maggi cubes, curry powder, a whole seasoning to season my chicken, and here I have oil. Okay, yes, and I'll be adding salt as well, which I forgot to show you. So now I'm going to go ahead and steam my meat. So into it, I'll add in the onions. I'll add in half of the onions because I'll be blending the remaining one, and here I will add in the garlic and the ginger as well. I'll be adding in curry powder as well. Okay, and now I'll add in the seasoning, 1 Maggi cube, and salt to taste. So now I would add in water, a little bit of water, stir it very well, and cover to cook for 10 minutes. So this meat here is soft chicken. Okay, so it takes easy to cook. So now whilst the chicken is on cook, I'll go ahead and blend my tomatoes. So I'll pour in the 2 can tomatoes, add in the bell peppers, add in the remaining garlic and ginger, add in the remaining onions, cover it. So now I'll go ahead and blend all together. So now I'll check on my meat to see and the meat is well cooked. So I'll set it aside and go ahead and fry my stew. So in a medium heat saucepan, I'll add in oil, add in some chopped onions, stir very well, and cover it to fry for 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'll go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir very well. And cover to fry for 1 to 2 minutes. So now after 2 minutes, I'll stir very well and add in the chopped tomatoes and onions. I'll now stir very well, rinse it and add it into it, and now I'll add in my chicken stock. After adding in the chicken stock, I'll stir it very well and now cover it to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, here is it. I'll add in the Maggi cube, curry powder, and salt to taste. So now I'll stir it again very well. And now cover to cook for 10 minutes in a very lower heat. So now I'll go ahead and fry my chicken. So in a hot saucepan, I'll add in the oil and introduce in the chicken to fry. So now the chicken is done frying, so I'll set it aside. So now after 10 minutes of cooking, my stew is ready to add in the chicken. Okay, as you can see, it has produced some oil on top of it. That tells you that it's cooking very well. So now I'll add in the chicken, stir everything together. And now I will now cover it to cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes of cooking, guys, my chicken stew is ready. So this is how simple it looks. Very delicious, and the aroma is everything. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.